Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Rena Walsinger, the Technical Director at Eduvators. Today we're going to go over a little bit about Google Labs. It's a fun place to learn new apps and things that are coming in the world of AI, and they're very personalized for the user, so let's take a look. So here's Google Labs. Right now they're featuring a thing about music, which is pretty cool. But we can look at all these things that they have. Photos, the thing for Chrome, help me scripts, composing, full stack workflow to the cloud. And here's some emerging tools, and I'm very interested in these. One of them that I really like right now is called Illuminate. Okay, so I really like Illuminate. You can look at research papers or books. You can also generate your own by searching for a topic. It does have to be in the libraries that they have. So, for example, if you look up education, they'll have numerous articles. You can select one or more and then generate your own conversation about it. But let's look at the ones that they have because I really like some of these topics. So let's just start with attention is all you need. So you can view the source of this, which is really great. It goes right to the paper, and this is by Google Research. You can read the whole paper. In fact, in this case, you can download it as well, which is great. And you can view the transcript. So this is what it's going to be saying. And let's go ahead and play this.
Let's unpack a paper titled Attention is All You Need. What's the core idea here?
Well, the big idea in this paper is that we can build a really effective sequence transduction model without using recurrence or convolutions, the usual suspects, right? And instead just rely on attention mechanisms. The paper shows that in the context of machine translation, this new approach not only performs better than RNNs, but also trains faster.
That's super interesting, especially considering the time this paper
You can
was
skip
published.
ahead as well.
Long-range dependencies between words in a sentence.
This self-attention mechanism sounds powerful. How does self-attention work in the transformer model?
It's a bit like how we focus on different parts.
So it's giving you a conversation about that article, which is a different way to digest what's going on there. So instead of just reading it back, which we already have readers, it's a different way of learning about the content there. I think it's really good. I love the way it does books as well. So let's look at one of the books I love, Alice in Wonderland, and play a little bit of this one. I'm going to view the transcript first just so we can see it, and then let's play.
Here's a book called Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Let's talk about it.
Oh, wow. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. This is a classic piece of literature, a children's novel full of whimsy and imagination.
Can you tell us more about it?
Absolutely. It's a story about a young girl named Alice who falls down a rabbit hole and finds herself in a bizarre and nonsensical world.
So it's very interesting. You can learn all about Alice in Wonderland. Here's the entire text of what it's going to read. I imagine in the future it'll be like you can ask questions about it as well. I mean, you can do that now. But this is a new idea that Google's testing out and generating kind of a podcast about books or research articles that I think is really interesting. So that's Google Illuminate. If you want to learn more, just go to Google Labs. You can try out any of these tools. Some of them you can try now, and some of them there's a wait list, like this video effects. That does take more AI power, computing power. So usually for new video generators, there's a wait list. And there's a lot that you can play with. You can see all these different applications. The music one's really fun. So that's Google Labs, learning about the future of AI. So I think Google Labs is really important because you can see where we're kind of headed in terms of how to use AI, make different applications that are easy to use, especially for educators and content creators in the world of research, learning, creativity, and a lot more. So to learn more about this, join us at www.eduvators.net, and we'll see you next time.